Welcome back, dear student, to this lesson where we will be discussing about linking HTML pages, anchor tags, and hyperlinks. So, in a nutshell, this lesson is crucial for beginners to dive into the use of anchor tags and hyperlink, essential elements in HTML that enables navigation within and between web pages. In fact, there is nothing called a website without just this little heart you see called the anchor tags. So it's one of the most super important that form the basis and the backbone of the internet that you know today. Now, come to think of it, somebody posted on social media, they posted an image, they want to post this. Those things are always linked from one place to the other. That's why you're on a site, you can go to their contact, to their about, to their everything. And then everything will not need to be on just a single page because you cannot link them together. You understand? So it gives us a lot of good user experience and a lot of things. So in fact, there's nothing like website without this link, like I said, because the connection of 2 or 3 pages is what becomes a website. You understand? If the pages may be broken down into seem like a single page, but into different sections and then linked together. All those we try to learn about them in this lesson. So now, what is anchor tag and hyperlink? Anchor tag, which is a tag, a. The anchor HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink, which are clickable elements that navigate to different locations and resources. So they help you navigate from different sections of a single site or single page to different aspects of the website that link them, that create that web of the internet together. From one, you go from social media to another social media to a website to different places interlinked with the power of this anchor tag. So attributes of anchor tag, you now know what attributes mean. They help you to enhance features of that HTML element or tag. So you have the href, we still see them as usual in practical. Specify the URL of the page to link goes to, target define where to open the link document, and then title provide additional information about the link that is displayed as a tooltip. So creating hyperlink, how do you now create it? Like I said, we'll do practical, like internal links that navigate to different sections of the same page. Focusing on the creating hyperlink as well, which can be internal links or external links. So it can be within a site, link from one place to another, or even on a single page. Or you can link to an external link coming out from something. So there are other things you can learn about link, like relative part, absolute part, and things like that. So let's quickly do, that's why you have some of these resources to read more and learn more. But I'm just taking you to the essential basic things to know, as a lot of these things will be done with the AI tools and things to support you along the way. So these resources will help. We have the previous lesson code there. Then this is the enhancement we are adding, which, we have the header. Then we have some things like we need more information and things like that. Learn about the DAP and more. So then click here to display the full code. So this is the full code now, which we can copy over to use. So you can always type out to learn. But like I told you, let's be realistic. This is AI age. Just learn the basic. Once you learn the basic, you are good to go. So, but as a beginner, I encourage you to type some of these things out. Let's see if we come back here. And then this, we already use an hyperlink here. Look at this contact. That's why if you click this contact, it tries to pop out for you to mail. Now, if I click here, you can see it. We try to open, if you see it, you could see that it's clickable. It's showing me, let me move this up, yeah. So it will help you to see what I'm saying. If I see, you see at the end, it tells you where it's pointing to. If you see it here, yeah. So all those are hyperlink. You are linking from one page or one link to the other. So this is how you do it. You have the A tag followed by this attribute. You see, this attribute tells you like, where is this going? Where are you referencing? Where are you hyperlinking to? So it's like hyperlink reference. So then we say, okay, we want it to go here. Then this is like what people will see. If you want it to, if you don't want to use it just plain, you can also use it plain, like this same thing, you see it here. Or you can use a word here, like maybe mail us here. So it's still the same thing. You see, it still goes to the same place, because what really matters is this ref. I can change this to whatever I want it to be displayed. It doesn't matter. But if I tamper with this, even if I don't change this, it will lead to another place. So you have idea what the A tag is, and you know it as whatever you have, you put whatever, anything you put inside before the closing tag, we have that. And usually most time come underlined, and so there are a lot of attributes. You may make it not to be underlined or something, but at least those are the basic. You can read more about that to learn if you have interest. So let me just try to paste that that document we have here. This showing red, there must have been an error, but let's even load it, save and see. You can see, so something has gone wrong. Let's close here. Maybe I can see the code well. So I can really see the code. Let me try and see. Yeah, this way is broken, I guess. This closing tag. So you can always like trace what has gone wrong. Can you spot what has gone wrong? Yeah, it seems I've spotted it, yeah. Oh, nope. Yeah. You see, this doesn't close. Not to close. Yeah, you see it. And that fixed it. I want to believe. Not fixed. Why? I expect this to refresh. Let me refresh it. Yeah. So this was fixed. So that's all this little thing. But what we are trying to say, you see these attributes. See, this point to where it will go. Once I click it, and then this target tells us that, for example, normally when you link here, let's do it. I'm coming. I want you to be able to see it. So I want to cut this into, yeah, so that you can see it very well. Yeah, good. Now this is it. Now, if I remove these targets, by default, if I click here, to just go and open straight, you see that it closes the other one and just replace it, and that may not be a good experience for you at times. So that's why that tag was introduced called target. Like, I can actually tell the browser when I click this link, should it close the one I'm working on and open in the same tab, or open as a new tab or in a new window. So that's if we introduce that back and save and go back, refresh, then click again. Do you see it? I didn't close this. So user can switch and do whatever they want to do here. You see, so those are part of the reason why you should have idea of this. So you have a better user experience. So when you are doing things that people shouldn't move away, that thing shouldn't close. You should use this target. So that people still stay on that page, but they can open maybe to learn more about the other one and come back or whatever. So then this title is what gives it this, you see. This code, so like a truth tip that gives idea of what that thing is about, you see. That's the DPU you are seeing. So if I remove this as well, it works normal, but you see if I overwrite nothing, just like this. So those are part of the attribute, and you now see the essence of that A tag. That is super important. Yeah, you see it now. So it's super important for you to use and see it. So that's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next. If you have any question, don't forget to ask using the comments here, not on Discord. Discord are there to meet other Web3 developers, get up to date, collaborate. But for specific lesson, especially to get response from me or other author of the course on DPU, you had better use here, and make sure it's not the same question somebody have asked and gotten clear answer. So that's it. I remain Solomon Foske of the Program University. PU. Always do keep the programming spirit and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and any other knowledge you have, and not evil, to make the world and the universe a better place for us all. Thank you, and see you in the next. Peace and bye.